And now to our market monitor, who is betting that slowly rising interest rates and the potential for tax reform will benefit bank stocks. This is his first time joining us on the program, and we welcome him now. Ryan Kelley, portfolio manager at the Hennessy Funds. Ryan, welcome. Good to have you with us.
Thanks for having me.
Banks haven't had the best start to the year, neither the big ones nor the smaller ones. What do you think is going to turn it for them?
Well, I think it's just a matter of time. Right now, it's all about rates. And when interest rates rise, these banks go up. And when they go down, we see a sell-off in the sector. But overall, I think that the sector remains positive. We're looking for a good economy with slow and stable rising rates. That should help earnings. That'll help these stocks go up over time. Icing on the cake will be any sort of tax reform or regulatory relief, which should help these companies as well.
All right, let's get.
We also think that there will be a lot more M&A activity as well.
Fantastic. Let's get to a couple of your picks. You've got a large, a mid, and a small cap. Let's start with one nobody's heard of, Bank of America. Why do you like it?
Yes, Bank of America, we like this company. It's obviously a banking bellwether. It's the largest bank in the U.S. by deposits. This is a company that came out of the financial crisis and had to do a lot of restructuring and cost cutting, and have done a very good job of that. It's one of the cheapest of the bank names, and primarily that's the reason why we like it. It's one of the largest holdings in our large cap financial fund.
Let's move on to Eagle Bank Corp, which you call a small mid-cap community bank in Bethesda, Maryland. Why that one?
Yes, that's a bank that's in a very attractive market area. This is a typical company that we have in our Hennessy Small Cap Financial Fund. It's a well-run bank with a good management team. They're in an attractive market. It's an efficient operator, meaning that they keep their costs low. And because of that, it has much higher than peer returns and profitability.
How does a bank like Eagle in Bethesda, which is a small bank in a big metropolitan area, compete with the titans like B of A or Chase or TD?
Well, that's the great thing about the small cap banking sector, is that while there are some economies of scale, it comes down to the local market. It's having lenders who know their customers, who have long-term relationships, and continue to build the business that way. Basic
blocking and tackling in the banking world. And BankUnited is your third and final choice. Tell us about that one briefly.
This is a very fast-growing bank. It's based in Florida, BankUnited. It's the largest bank headquartered in Florida. It's growing about 17% last year in assets, so that's quite faster than the market. And yet it's trading at about a 3 multiple discount to its peers. So we think this is an attractive place to own this company.
Ryan, thanks so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Ryan Kelley, Hennessy Funds.